In this lesson, we are going to talk about the mobile phone platforms. Mobile phone platforms are mainly classified in two ways. One is classified by hardware platform. The other is classified by operating platform. The mobile phone operating platform we usually refer to actually refers to the operating system of the mobile phone. Now, the mainstream mobile phone hardware platforms are Huawei, HiSilicon, Qualcomm, MediaTek, Samsung. Samsung's platform is rarely used because there are fewer Samsung mobile phones in China. Vivo has some mobile phones in use. Meizu is also using. Early hardware platforms like Texas Instruments, Ericsson, NXP, Frisco, they are almost gone, very few. Currently, the most widely used mobile operating systems are Harmony OS, iOS system, and Android system. Harmony OS is Huawei's Harmony system, and Huawei mobile phones are using it. iOS system, Apple is using, and Android system is used more. Xiaomi, Oppo, Vivo, Samsung, and so on are in use. What we are mainly talking about here is the mobile phone hardware platform. The hardware platform of a mobile phone is essentially the processor used in the mobile phone from a small scope. Like the Qualcomm platform in the picture, it corresponds to its own Qualcomm processor, starting with QU. MTK, the abbreviation of MediaTek. The processor corresponding to MediaTek's platform starts with MT. For example, the model of this processor is MT6225A. HiSilicon platform. The processor corresponding to HiSilicon platform starts with HI. For example, this is HI6260. Samsung's platform currently uses more processors starting with Exynos. Let's look at hardware platforms of mobile phones separately. Qualcomm, a mobile phone chip platform designed and developed by Qualcomm in the United States, is currently the largest chip platform used by Android phones. This platform currently uses the Qualcomm Snapdragon series. For example, Snapdragon 400, 600, 700, and 800 series used in Xiaomi, Oppo, Vivo, and Samsung mobile phones. MediaTek is a mobile phone chip platform designed and developed by Taiwan MediaTek Company Limited, referred to as MTK. Its processing series generally include X series, P series, G series, and Dimensity series. At present, in mobile phones, especially in 5G mobile phones, the mainstream is the chip of the Dimensity series. HiSilicon current series chips are designed and developed by Shenzhen HiSilicon Semiconductor Company Limited. They are mainly used in Huawei mobile phones, including current 700 series, 800 series, 900 series, and 9000 series. Samsung's current processors are mostly Exynos. Exynos is a processor brand designed and developed by Samsung Electronics based on ARM architecture, including 7000 series, 8000 series, and 9000 series. It is mainly used in Samsung, Vivo, Meizu, Motorola, and other mobile phones. So those are the four most common mobile hardware platforms. That's it for our lesson.